We are going to do a walkthrough of a 2006 Butfering Steelmaster Prima Profi wide belt disc grinding and deburring machine. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This Butfering Steelmaster Profi SPW 309 RTR has 3 stations. The first station is a helical grooved 8-inch drum for grinding, graining with multiple speed running clockwise. The second station has oscillating heads with rotary brushes at 120 strokes a minute with a stroke length of 46 millimeters. The third station is a helical grooved 8-inch drum for grinding, graining, running counterclockwise. The variable speed conveyor drive will run from 5 to 35 feet per minute. The paper media filtration closed loop coolant system has a paper media filter mounted underneath the sander for a more compact footprint. Everything is controlled by a graphically supported color 5.7-inch touchscreen with 1,000 programs. On the outfeed, you will find an air knife drying system,